Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make a private story on Snapchat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the face emoji or avatar from the top left corner. Under My Stories section, tap on New Private Story. Now choose which of your friends you would like to allow to view the story. When you are done selecting friends, tap Create Story. Now type in what you would like to name your story. Tap Save when you are finished. To share any photo or video privately, tap on the name of your story. Choose any photo or video. And then tap the Send button. Your story has been added. You can manage your private story by tapping the three dots beside the name of your story. There you can change the story name, who can view your story, add posts to the story, or delete it. So in this way, you can make a private story on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.